Now, remember those tools we just set? The fade tool in the preferences that I'd set? Now when I come to the top half of a region, I can use the fade function, okay? If I go to the bottom half of the region, I get the Marquee tool selection. It's extremely slick and swift for editing. You just see I did that selection there and I press delete and it's gone. There's a couple of different places you can get the Marquee tool. You can also get it over here, or you can set it as a right-click tool. I find that this is the easiest way, just going in the bottom half becomes the Marquee tool, then the top half becomes a fade tool in the corner. This is the fade in, fade out. And if you want to do a crossfade, you just put two audio files next to each other. You just slide over to do a crossfade, and it does a crossfade like that, okay? Ableton is constantly on the Marquee tool, actually. So if you just drag here, delete, gone. So that's why the Marquee tool is awesome for editing.